Maurice Behar?
He walks in. Silent. Alone. Not knowing if he's walking out free. Or straight into a lifetime of consequences. Today, Maurice Behar. On paper, just a traffic case. In reality, it's so much more. Because when you lose your license, you don't just lose your keys. You lose your job. Your freedom. Your control. This isn't about a speeding ticket. It's about how far the justice system goes. When you've made the same mistake more than once. Repeat offender? Or someone who deserves a second chance. This court is about to decide. Is there still mercy left in the law? Or is this where it finally runs out?
Write and understand the English language?
Yes, I can.
Do you need me to read that count operating a motor vehicle while revoked to you and the maximum possible penalties, or do you understand it?
Oh, yes, I understand.
You understand it?
Yes.
Okay. And so you waive that reading. Are you on Angeline Avenue?
Correct.
Does your telephone end in 0461?
Correct.
A not guilty plea will be entered on your behalf. You are entitled to a jury trial. You would be entitled to a speedy trial should you request one. Mr. Schmidt, what would an offer be should Mr. Behar get his license?
It's not possible for Mr. Behar to get his license.
All right.
My proposal would be if he entered a plea to the charges alleged, there'd be no jail, it'd just be court costs.
Okay, so it's not.
Let's break. The offer hits the table. Plead guilty and skip jail. No cell. No orange jumpsuit. Just court costs. Sounds simple, right? But here's the catch. Maurice Behar's license? It's not suspended, it's revoked for life. Why? A past OWI in Wisconsin. And under their law. 4 or more, and you're done. No more driving. Ever. The prosecutor knows this case won't hold up in trial. So they offer a deal. Fast. Clean. Efficient. It's practical justice. No drama. No drawn-out court battle. But here's the real question. Is it justice? Or just a shortcut that leaves a man stranded for life?
You can go to trial if you wish.
Yes, I've been contacted with a lawyer, and it would cost me a lot of money for that too, both, and then I would accept the offer for no jail time. With a fine, just the stipulation to set up a payment plan, so I'm not sure what the fine is.
You can hear it in Behar's voice. This isn't just about money. He's running the numbers in real time. Court costs. Legal fees. Meds. Maybe even child support. Every dollar, spoken or unspoken, tightens the pressure. And still, he chooses resolution. A guilty plea. No jail. On paper, the clean way out. But here's the truth. Once you say guilty, you can't take it back. No rewinds. No second shot. It's not mercy. It's a gamble. And the stakes? Everything. Would you take that deal on the spot, just to get it over with? Or would you risk it all, hoping for something better?
Yes.
And some disadvantages to not having an attorney?
Yes.
And you wish to represent yourself here today?
Sure.
Is that a yes?
Yes, yes.
How old are you?
I am 50 years old.
Can you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, I can.
And have you had any drugs, alcohol, or other medications in the last 24 hours?
Just basic prescription diabetic medication.
Nothing that interferes with your
for
thinking?
No.
And no mental illnesses or disorders?
No.
Do you understand that you would be able to have a trial? You'd be able to have an attorney where either yourself or an attorney could cross-examine the state's witnesses or call witnesses to testify for you. You would be able to testify on your own behalf or possibly discover things about the case, which could include, defense through that questioning. You would have the right to testify or to remain silent. You would have the right to have that jury trial in which 12 of your peers would need to reach a unanimous decision as to a guilty verdict or find you not guilty. You would have the right to have the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. Do you understand all of those rights that you would be giving up here today?
Yes, I do.
And do you understand that if you're not a citizen of the United States, your plea could result in your deportation?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Here's where the stakes quietly rise. No shouting. No slamming gavels. Just a judge. And a checklist of rights about to be surrendered. The right to a jury. The right to remain silent. The right to challenge the evidence. One by one, Behar gives them up. It's called a waiver of constitutional rights. And courts don't take it lightly. Because this isn't just paperwork. This is legal finality. No turning back. No appeals to fairness. No second chances. The courtroom stays still. But what's happening? It echoes louder than any verdict. And the weight? It'll follow him far beyond these four walls.
Face a fine of up to $2,500 or 1 year in the county jail or both?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand that the recommendation and the agreement is for court costs only, but I don't have to follow that if I think it's not reasonable? You understand that?
Yes, I do.
I could sentence you to the maximum possible penalty.
Yes, I do.
Do you still wish to proceed and enter a guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Now, are you admitting here today that you in fact did operate a motor vehicle while being revoked?
Yes, I am.
Has anyone made any threats or promises to you for you to plead guilty to this charge?
No.
You're doing so freely and intelligently, telling the court you fully understand what you're doing
Yes, I am.
and voluntarily.
Yes, I am.
Do you have any questions for the court or for your attorney or for Mr. Schmidt before I proceed?
No, I just hope to clear it up and stay clear of everything in the court system.
I hope you do so as well. All right, then, and the court has given you enough time if you wish to seek an attorney?
Yes.
All right, so as to the sole count, how do you wish to plead?
Guilty.
Court will find your plea of guilt is done knowingly, intelligently, and voluntarily. I'm going to find that you understand your constitutional rights and what it means to waive and give up those rights. I'm going to find a factual basis based upon your statement today. In this case, the court will enter a judgment in this matter. Mr. Schmidt, argument, please.
Mr. Bearhart's license is revoked forever off of a 2020 OWI conviction. He was cooperative with police in this. He was not under the influence of anything in this. And this is the only OAR he's had since his license was revoked. I think given those factors, cost is appropriate. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Behar, do you wish to make a statement here today?
No, I just wish I'd made better decisions in the past. I didn't protect the gifts that I had, I guess. I never appreciated them, took them for granted, and now I am having to make choices.
Now this is a moment. Behar stands there, stripped of excuses. No blame. No spin. Just 5 words that hit like a gut punch. I took my blessings for granted. No shouting. No performance. Just regret, raw and unfiltered. In the courtroom, pauses. Even the judge feels it. Not just the words, but the honesty behind them. He doesn't scold. He reflects. Because a driver's license? It's not just a piece of plastic. It's access to life. Work. Family. Freedom. And for Behar, that access is gone. For good.
Fortunate for you that it's taken away for life. And it is an inconvenience. It's beyond an inconvenience where we live. I find that the agreement is appropriate. Court costs and fees is what is reasonable in this matter. So I will assess $443 in costs and fees. That includes the DNA surcharge. And you said you'd be able to pay that here today?
I believe so. I just have to check my account, but I believe I have.
All right, I'll order it to be paid here today or within 30 days. Failing to pay not only means that the court will enter a civil judgment, but I could issue a warrant. You could set up to 6 months in jail, so make sure it's paid and paid off. You have 20 days to appeal. Should you fail to appeal within 20 days, you lose that right. I do need to order your DNA. I'm sure we have it, but I still need to order it, and you still need to go to the sheriff's department to check.
So let's break it down. $443 fine, a DNA swab, and a permanent mark on his record. But here's the twist. Behar chose accountability. No lawyer. No delays. No spectacle. Just a man, standing alone. Facing the system and owning his mistakes. It doesn't erase the past. It doesn't hand him redemption. But maybe, just maybe, it opens the door to something different. Because this is the quiet power of the courtroom. Where even the smallest case can reveal a whole human story.
Then you're free to go to pay off the fines and fees and do your DNA. Thank you.